Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining a tight research question using Pico or Pico so the review stays manageable. Once done, generate 8-12 keywords and synonyms, including spellings and truncations, because breadth matters for recall. Next, pick your stack: a citation manager for imports, an LLM for synthesis, and a screening assistant or a simple script for deduplication. Start the search immediately across 2-3 databases and export raw records into your citation manager to avoid rework. Once you have the raw records, deduplicate and feed titles and abstracts into your screening tool with clear inclusion rules, because consistent thresholds reduce bias. Then create a standardized extraction form capturing population, intervention, comparator outcomes, and study design so data are comparable. Use an LLM to generate structured summaries and prepopulate extraction fields. However, make sure to save the exact source snippets and confidence flags so you can verify and correct any hallucinations or misparses later. You now aggregate the extracted data and choose synthesis method, meta-analysis for homogeneous outcomes, or structured narrative synthesis when studies vary. Then assess risk of bias and certainty, documenting each judgment so readers can follow your decisions. Make a Prisma-style flow diagram to show study selection. Use the LLM to draft sections, then perform a verification pass against source data. If discrepancies appear, rerun extraction for those studies. Troubleshooting: if AI outputs conflict, prioritize manual checks and correct training prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.